Hi everybody, welcome back. My crazy hair, crazy hair day. Um, got a haul for you. Make sure you like and subscribe. Come comment below, say hi, how are you? And leave me a little emoji. And I have a teeny haul, it's not very big. Um, Thrifted mostly. I want to show you what I got. I don't usually do purse hauls. Oh, I haven't lately because I haven't found any that I like. Well, I was thrifting, and this purse is like brand new. There's no rips, no tears, no nothing with this purse. And it is looks like this. It's gorgeous, and it has the big strap and the little strap, hand strap. It's got this little chain. This is what I liked about it. Little Chanel kind of moment going on right here. This is a Steve Madden purse, and I am partial to big purses anyways, and this has feet on the bottom. Look at this. It has feet on the bottom. It's like brand new. I mean, there's no rips. None that I see anyways, and I've gone through this I don't know how many times. Now, you can, it looks like it has a hook here, a hook here, and a thing here, but they've hooked it on here so they can have it like a crossbody kind of thing. So it's not just one. They should have put this over here, but they didn't. But it has the big strap. It has a compartment right here. It has a zipper. It's kind of hard to do when it's floppy. A zipper part right here. This is cloth on the inside. It's cloth. It's not that cheapy garbage stuff. Let's see. It has the tag. It's not real leather, but it has a big compartment on this side. And then you can zip that up. I like the zippers because they're real zippers. They're not those plastic. It's not that plastic garbage. And then it has a big part over here on this side with some side pockets right there. And you can zip this side up. So it looks like you can actually wear it this way or this way because it says that on there, or you can do it this way. But it's pretty good size. I really like it. And I'm partial to black because it goes with anything, everything. So there's my little purse. It's really cute, and I can see why they have the, and it's gold. It's like a gold. It has this because it's quilted too, so you can see that. Isn't that pretty? And it has the feet on the bottom. That is way pretty. So I managed to find that. I think it was like $3 or $4. And I found these have never ever been worn. And they're really flimsy. I can't remember what they call these, but you can put these, say you're going out for the night and you have heels on. These will fit in your purse. Probably not a little teeny purse, like my little box one there. It probably won't fit in there with your wallet and stuff, but look at that. And they're non-skid. They're pink. So I thought, ooh, I like these. And these will be good. You can wear them outside if you have to, you know. These are really good. I like these. So I found those. I found a tank top that is way, way pretty. Look at this. It's a baby blue, and it doesn't look like this has been worn that much. There's no it's really thin. There's no marks or nothing. The tag's been ripped out of it. So I'm not quite sure how big it is. I'm thinking it's going to be at least a large because it'll fit me. And so that's That's so pretty. I grabbed that. Put that right there. Then I love these shawl things. I have 3, 4 of them, and they're great for the summertime. I don't like to show my arms because they're chunky, but I don't like to be hot. So if I want to wear a tank top, I can wear a tank top and use a cover up. I'm trying to get it so it's the right way so I can show you. This is really pretty. It's the same, almost the same color blue as that one. And it's got, isn't this beautiful? Oh, it's gorgeous. You could wear pink. You can wear that orangey color. You can wear white. And it's got, on the front here, it has, is it on the front? Nope, it's only on the bottom. Okay. Let me show you the bottom of it. It has these tassel-like things. They're pretty. These are so pretty. But this is be really nice for the, you know, summer if you have to go out for lunch or something like that. I found that. And this is a, what size is it? It's called Sweet Rain, and it's a large. So that I thought was way pretty. And it's just to cover up your ugly arm, you know, the chunky arms, because it has a nice cuff with that. So I found that. I don't usually find a lot of thrift stuff clothes-wise for me. That I found that, and I found that one for the 4th of July. And I showed this in another haul. I love this. But you definitely have to wear something under. Well, you don't have to if you don't want to, but I don't like my arms showing. So I have a really thin t-shirt that I can wear underneath that. So, and then the last thing I got is some nails. I have these ones on. These are, oh, I don't know when that video's up, when it'll be up, but the dip nails, that's what these are. These have been on for over a month. And after 3 weeks, I just had to fill it in a little bit, and now they are coming off. 3 of them will come off. I got to try to get these other ones off so I can redo them. And I don't know if I'll redo them the dip or if I'll do the press on. I really like these. These are like a mauve and like a marble pink and gold. Aren't they pretty? They're so pretty. So pretty. And then these ones I love. Love, 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 love. Black, marble, and gold. So I don't know which ones I'll put on. I'll probably put these ones on. I'll save these ones. But I may do these. Or I may just do a French tip. Like, but a full-on nail. I mean, these stayed on for a good while. This is my natural nail right here. This one kind of broke. This one kind of... So they're my natural nails are growing out. But if I don't cover them, they'll break. So... that is my haul. So yeah, that was fun. So make sure you like and subscribe. Give me a comment down below. Put an emoji down below. The 200 subscriber giveaway is still going on. We're almost there. We're at 150 something, I think. We're almost at 200. So we will see you again soon. Bye now.